TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. Inversion in grammar refers to a change in the usual word order of a sentence, where the subject follows the verb instead of preceding it. Inversion after so and such is used to emphasize adjectives or nouns. The phrase "so numerous were the inventions" demonstrates inversion, where the subject, the inventions, follows the verb were. This structure is used to emphasize the adjective numerous in the context of the sentence. Answer 2. Word form refers to the different variations of a word used in different grammatical contexts. Each form reflects a specific part of speech or grammatical function, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. That introduces a relative clause modifying atoms. The verb in the relative clause must agree with the subject atoms and be in the correct form to match the intended meaning. Having is a participle, which suggests an ongoing action or state, but it's not appropriate here because the clause requires a finite verb have to complete the idea. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.